How to use TOTK optimizer in Zelda Tears of the Kingdom. You want to boost performance and customize visuals in Tears of the Kingdom on PC. Here's how to use the TOTK optimizer tool in under 1 minute. First, download TOTK optimizer from the official GitHub page. It's a tool designed to help users of Yuzu and Ryujinx simulators apply custom settings for better frame rates and visuals. Next, open the TOTK optimizer and load your game's mod folder. You'll need to point it to where your emulator stores mod. Now, usually inside the Yuzu or Ryujinx directory. Now choose your game version from the dropdown and the tool will unlock various patches, things like 30 FPS, 60 FPS, static shadows, anti-aliasing mode, and resolution scaling. Enable the tweaks you need for better performance. On low-end PCs, use 30 FPS with visual downgrades. For high-end builds, 60 FPS with enhanced shadows and textures works great. Once done, click Export to Mod folder and the tool will apply to patches directly. Finally, launch the game from your emulator and you'll instantly notice the improved performance. Thanks for watching.